How to remove someone from Snapchat shortcut. And to do that is you have to go to your Snapchat application here, and it will look like this. Now on the bottom part, you will see 5 different options there, and you will see your chat icon. Tap on your chat icon here, and you'll be led to your chats. Now the next thing that you want to do is to just swipe it down here, and you will see all the shortcuts there. You'll see this shortcut, this shortcut, this shortcut, so on and so forth. Now what I want to do next is to just swipe here left to right up until you see the plus icon here. Tap on the plus icon. Now once you tap on your plus icon here, you'll see that how to edit your shortcuts. Now let's say you want to remove someone in your Snapchat shortcut, then you have to choose what shortcut you want to remove that person from. So let's say this shortcut here, and all you have to do is to deselect the person here, deselect the person, and then deselect this person too, and tap on save. And here, if you go here to your shortcut again, you will see that those people are actually removed, and that is how you remove someone from Snapchat shortcut. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.